Are you struggling to break into cybersecurity or trying to move around in industry and just getting frustrated? Well, here's the truth. Technical and practical skills alone won't get you there. Hi, I'm Dr. Gerald Auger, creator of Simply Cyber, and I've helped thousands of professionals launch and accelerate their cybersecurity careers. The key missing piece that really nobody talks about is personal branding. It's what makes practitioners and hiring managers notice you over hundreds of others. Join me January 6th through 9th for an exclusive live cohort experience where I'll teach you exactly how to build your cyber brand using YouTube, the platform that helped me grow to 200,000 subscribers and establish myself as a recognized voice in cybersecurity. And the best part is, even if you don't want to do YouTube, it's cool. The knowledge that you gain from the course can be mapped to doing other things like blogs, social media posts, and other content platforms. The idea here is that you'll get all the skills in order to build an effective personal brand in the industry. In just 4 days, you'll learn how to create content that showcases your expertise and content that people are out there searching for. We'll talk about the exact equipment setup that you'll need for any budget, and I'll give you my proven strategies for networking with industry leaders, and all the while getting real-time feedback on your personal brand strategy. My students don't just create content, they are inspired, they learn how to stand out, and how to create their own authentic brand in cybersecurity. So don't wait any longer wondering how to stand out in a sea of sameness. Please join me live January 6th through 9th, 11 a.m. to 3 p.m., the 4 days, 16 total hours. Seats are limited, so please click the link below or go to simplycyber.io/PBCC for personal branding for career in cybersecurity, simplycyber.io/PBCC to secure your spot today. I hope to see you in the cohort.